Welcome back to Motor Insight. Today, we're diving into the world of motocross excellence with the 2026 Honda CRF450RWE, the Works Edition. This factory-inspired machine is built for riders who demand peak performance, premium components, and championship-ready handling straight from the crate. Let's take a closer look at what makes this special edition stand out. Engine and performance. At the heart of the CRF450RWE is a refined 449 cubic centimeters unicam engine, delivering explosive power and razor-sharp throttle response. Honda has fine-tuned the ECU settings for smoother power delivery and enhanced low-end torque. The Works Edition features a Yoshimura RS-12 full titanium exhaust system that not only saves weight but boosts mid-range performance and sharpens throttle feel. From the whole shot to the final lap, this engine is tuned to dominate. Suspension and handling. Suspension is where the CRF450RWE separates itself. Showa 49mm coil spring forks are coated with titanium oxide to reduce friction, while the shock gets a special Kashima coating for improved responsiveness. The suspension is fully adjustable and tuned for aggressive riding. On the track, the CRF450RWE carves through corners with precision and feels exceptionally planted in ruts and jumps alike. The aluminum twin-spar frame ensures a stable, balanced ride even at high speeds. Premium features. Honda loaded the Works Edition with top-tier upgrades. You get Hinson clutch components for better durability and feel, black did LTX rims for strength and weight savings, and a gold chain for that factory bike flair. The graphics are exclusive to the Works Edition and are applied using in-mold technology to resist peeling and scratching. Even the seat gets a gripper design with a stiffer foam for enhanced control during hard launches. Braking and control. Braking is handled by a powerful front 260mm disc with a twin-piston caliper and a 240mm rear rotor. The braking system provides superb modulation and stopping power even under aggressive riding. Ergonomically, Honda has updated the foot peg platform for better grip and durability, and the Renthal fat bar provides confidence-inspiring leverage and rider comfort. Price in USA. The 2026 Honda CRF450RWE comes with a premium price tag, reflecting its elite upgrades and race-ready features. In the US, it is expected to start around $12,599, putting it in line with other high-end factory replica models in its class. Final verdict. The 2026 Honda CRF450RWE is a no-compromise machine for serious riders. It's not just a dirt bike, it's a statement. With factory-level performance, premium components, and Honda's legendary reliability, it stands tall as one of the most capable motocross bikes available today. That's a wrap on our deep dive into the 2026 Honda CRF450RWE. If you love powerful dirt bikes and performance machines, don't forget to subscribe to Motor Insight for more reviews.